This wall on the corner of Allerton and Wallace was once covered in graffiti, is now replaced with artwork.
We should have more of this here.
A mural of a Bronx-born role model, Colin Powell, a former U.S. Secretary of State, was unveiled earlier this week to the community.
People talk about it when they see it. They actually sit by and admire it.
As a matter of fact, there's a lot of people who actually didn't know who he was, and it's kind of like an educational experience for them.
The Allerton International Merchants Association commissioned an artist to create something positive.
No, Colin Powell's a Bronxite. I don't care what section he's from, but he's a Bronxite, and we're going to honor him, especially since it was so close to Veterans Day.
You may have noticed that the flag inside the mural has 13 stars like the 13 colonies instead of 50 like the states of today. That's because the Merchant Association wanted to recognize that even the United States comes from humble beginnings. They also invited Powell's daughter, Linda, to the unveiling event, and she was very happy to be there and took plenty of photos in front of the image of her father. And the local taggers respect the art.
We want art, we want to express ourselves. So what we're doing as a community is we're expressing ourselves, and they respect it.
Niall Clark, News 12, The Bronx.